Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be guiding you on how to cancel your Podbean subscription. Head over to your Podbean and at the top right corner you want to click on your profile name or your account name, and that's actually a drop down, so you need to click on it and then select My Account. Now once you select My Account, you'll be taken to this page where you'll be seeing at the top section of the screen your Podbean current subscription. Go ahead and select Manage Subscription, as you can see right here, and then once you click on Manage Subscription, you have the option to turn off auto-renewal. Turning off auto-renewal will mean that you're stopping or canceling your subscription, as the auto-renewal will not automatically take funds when the subscription period expires. So when that happens, your subscription will cancel at the last day of your current subscription. Now for users who renew their subscriptions through PayPal, you could go ahead to your PayPal account, then select settings, and your settings icon could be found at the top right area. You can see the gear icon right there, click on it. Then on this page, at the top area, you can click on the Payments tab. Now under the Payments tab, you want to locate Automatic Payment. Click on Automatic Payments to view and update all your subscriptions and automatic payments. So click on it. And then right here on the left hand side, you'll see Suggested Merchants. If you used PayPal for your Podbean, you'll find Podbean right here. Click on Podbean and you'll see the option to cancel your subscription and payment method. So these are the steps to follow if you'd like to cancel your Podbean subscription, whether it's on the Podbean website or if you're using PayPal to make your subscription for Podbean. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.